Hello everyone, my name is Hemal Jain, General Manager of Alila Uluwatu. Today I'm here to talk about Nasir, life coach, health expert, mentor, healer, somebody who has gone through a lot personally, professionally, but always stood the test of time. Recently we had organized an offsite with our senior leadership team where Nasir, the life coach, addressed the team for a couple of days and he was literally with us. We went through so many transformative experiences through practical demonstrations, whether it be getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning and doing meditation, saying thank you to oneself, conquering our fear, laughing out loud, getting into a bathtub filled with ice cubes for 3 minutes each. And the list is endless. We came out of the session wanting for more. And Nasir, personal life experiences, from his time in Afghanistan to his raising up in Germany with his parents, to him going through so much. Wow. And he was always smiling. He came out absolutely from all the mess that was happening. He came out very, very successful. And that was only because of one thing. That was because of his mental stability. And he teaches how to control your mind, and it's all in the mind. We, the team and I, highly recommend Nasir for your offsites, for your transformative experiences, for seeing life from a very, very different angle. He will leave you speechless, he will leave you emotional, and he will leave you wanting for more. Nasir, thank you so much for transforming our lives in just 48 hours. Thank you, Nasir. God bless you.